Let's have Honorable Paul Murigi. Honorable Paul Murigi, who is top here. Before I get to my left, then.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise to support this bill. Mr. Speaker, this is a very important bill as far as matters health is concerned, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, most of the referrals are made not because the patient are maybe unlucky to be treated in that hospital facility, Mr. Speaker, but because that facility, Mr. Speaker, lack enough facilities to make that patient, Mr. Speaker, recover. For example, most of the hospitals in this country lack enough infrastructures, lack enough personnel, Mr. Speaker, and lack some units, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, it is laughable for a hospital of a class of level 4, Mr. Speaker, lacking male ward, Mr. Speaker. This is an example of a level 4 in my constituency, that is Nyambene level 4 hospital, Mr. Speaker, which is a level 4, but it does not have a male ward, Mr. Speaker, whereas in that region, Mr. Speaker, we have male and female within that region, Mr. Speaker. So it is the right time, Mr. Speaker, when this bill is passed, the government to fast track its activities, Mr. Speaker, in improving the infrastructures or the health infrastructures, Mr. Speaker, in this country, so that some cases or some minor cases, Mr. Speaker, can be treated in these hospitals, Mr. Speaker. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, also the government is put online, Mr. Speaker, to think for its citizens, Mr. Speaker, because we have some patients or some people in this country, Mr. Speaker, who cannot afford, Mr. Speaker, to transport or to take their patient, Mr. Speaker, abroad, Mr. Speaker. But if we have good facilities within this country, Mr. Speaker, those patients or those citizens in that class, Mr. Speaker, can get a better service, Mr. Speaker, internally. Mr. Speaker, also referrals are meant for some individual gain, Mr. Speaker. So there is need for the ministry also to fast track some mechanism whereby they consult the bond, Mr. Speaker, which is concerned in registration and licensing of medical practitioner, Mr. Speaker, and dentist, Mr. Speaker, so and NHF, Mr. Speaker, so that they can know the credibility of that person who is being referred, Mr. Speaker, because some are referred so that or in arrangement with that hospital, Mr. Speaker, to get something when that person will be referred, because he will be charged a huge amount of money, Mr. Speaker, which will be a disadvantage to that hospital which is referring. Mr. Speaker, also the government or the Ministry of Health also should fast track some mechanism, Mr. Speaker, whereby any referral which is made abroad or outside this country, Mr. Speaker, they can consult our embassies, Mr. Speaker, which are located in a country where the patient is referred, to get the clear information of that hospital that patient is being taken, Mr. Speaker, so that they can be aware that the hospital has enough facilities, Mr. Speaker, and the personnel who are doing the services there, Mr. Speaker, are qualified, Mr. Speaker, to handle the case refund, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, also, it will be good for the government to notice that many qualified doctors, Mr. Speaker, has opted to open private clinics, private hospitals, Mr. Speaker, because of the poor pay of the doctors, Mr. Speaker, in this country. So also the government should focus on those personnel who qualify, Mr. Speaker, to do this, to offer these services in our hospitals, Mr. Speaker, and recruit them in our hospitals so that our people can get enough services in these hospitals when they seek medical attention, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I beg this House to consider supporting this bill, so that, Mr. Speaker, the improvement of health facilities within the country can be improved by the government of the day.